once again to my kitchen. This is Julie Kitchen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You are welcome. If you are watching me for the first time, I welcome you. My old subscribers, I thank you for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I advise you to subscribe and press the notification bell and join the Julie's Kitchen family. You are welcome. In today's video, I will be making the African native jollof rice using the palm oil. Wow, it's gonna be yummy. I remember those days when I'm in school, when I was in College of Education in Canada. This is what we used to cook. You know, groundnut oil was expensive then, palm oil was cheaper, and this is what we normally cook in our days when we are in school. So I want to show you how to make this palm oil native jollof rice. And when making this it's just, you need just bonga, your dry prawns, and then crayfish. I'm using yonder seasoning, onion, palm boiled egg, my rice, my local Niger rice, and palm oil. We normally use it with palm oil. So it's just little ingredients, and it's very powerful. So just watch me how I prepare this. This is what I feel like eating today, and I want to show you how to make this Niger palm oil jollof rice. It's so yummy. It's one of the best. I love it so much. I can eat this rice in the morning, afternoon, and anytime I can eat it. It's the best. So I want to show you how I make it. Just watch me while I start my cooking. So right now I'm going to slice my onion, because when cooking this meal you need a lot of onion. You can blend it, even though you don't want to blend, you can slice them. So I'm using the slicing method instead of blending. So I'm going to slice them. Wow, that was the first one. Still carrying the second one. I'm going to slice them. I tell you need a lot of onion. So I'm slicing them. Okay, now right now I'm going to slice my fresh pepper. I'm not going to blend anyone, so I'm going to be slicing them. You can watch me how I do that now. And meanwhile, okay, let me just put everything here. I've already washed them. Just wash them already. Wash them already, so I'm going to be slicing. Just want to cut them. Wow. So now wow. Just want to. Okay, now I'm through with this. So right now I'm going to start my cooking. Let's go straight to my gas. water I'm going to use to parboil my rice. So I just want to have the rice. So this is the pot I've put in the rice to parboil. So now I'm going to start the frying of my stew. This is the pot I'll be using in making my stew. And I want to have the palm oil into the pot while I wait for my rice to parboil. So this is the palm oil. I will be having it into the pot. So I'm not going to allow the oil to bleach. I'm not going to allow it to get very, very hot. I just want to start adding my ingredients because it's palm oil, right? So I will be having the ingredients as I had the palm oil. So right now, even though it's not hot, I'm going to be adding the onion to it because I don't want it to get to play. So I'm going to stir it and add other ingredients to it. This is tomato. Adding my tomato to it. Wow, this food, I love this rice so much. This is, in fact, it's one of my best food. I can eat it morning, afternoon, and evening. So, and I will be having my blended, the sliced fresh pepper. I'm going to be adding it to it. And I will control it later. If it's not hot, I will have grind the fresh dried pepper. Because this rice, I love it when it's hot. So this is the tomatoes there. I'm going to add some water to it, and allow it to cook while I wait for my rice to get boiled. So this is my blend crayfish. I don't know if there's sun. So I'll be adding water. Wow. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't put the blend crayfish like that because I don't know if there is sand inside. No, it's rice now. And I don't want to eat any sand inside the rice. So I'm going to this is how I will just do it. So if there's any sand in it, the thing will come down. Okay, right now I've washed my dried shrimps. I'm going to add it into the tomato sauce so that it can cook everything before I'll add my bonga to it. So this is my seasoning, yonder seasoning. I'm going to be adding it too. Wow. So I want to stir it. I will be adding my egg too. This is my boiled egg. I will be adding it so that it can, the tomatoes, everything can cook inside. And now I want to wash my bonga. Before I wash my rice will be the last thing I'm going to be adding to it. So let me wash my bonga and add it to it. Okay. These are the bonga I will be using. Okay, this is the bonga, so I'm just trying to remove this trash out of it. And I'm going to be having it. I'm washing it with the skin, everything, and I'll be adding it to the rice. We are not removing it, even the egg, everything. I have to add it inside. So this is my rice. Okay, so now I just need to add some salt. Then I wash my rice Need to add some salt to it. Then I need to wash the rice. Now this is the rice part, the part where it is. I want to wash it and add it to the sauce. Okay, now I wash my parboiled rice. I'm going to be adding it to the sauce. Wow. This rice, but one of my best. I love it. I can eat it 2/7, morning, afternoon, and evening. It's one of my favorites. I don't get tired whenever I'm eating it. So this is the rice. Wow. And you don't need a lot of ingredients, just little. Wow. Let me just mix this palm oil, these things like music. Let's add water. Okay, so now I'm going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, then I will control it. Wow. So let me cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to control my rice. Wow. As you can see, my rice is almost ready, so I'm going to stir it. Wow. Wow. So there's still water on it, so I'm going to allow it to get done, to get dry. Yeah, I think about 5 minutes, then I will be through my cooking. It's almost through. Just 5 minutes. Let me allow it to get dry. Then I will be through. I want to lower my gas. Okay. Wow. So finally, it's done. And my rice. Let me see. Wow. The rice have dry now. So I'm done with my cooking for today. This is my palm oil jollof rice, my native jollof rice. Wow. So I'm going to be dishing it. I'm going to be dishing the rice right now. So the rice is ready. So let me see how it goes. Hey guys, this is my palm oil native rice for today. I'm done with my cooking. So you can see it's beautiful and it's also yummy. Wow, I wish you are here to have a taste of it. So I thank you for joining me for today. See you next time in my next video. Please share my video out. Share my video on WhatsApp. Share it with your friends. It might be useful to them. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notice of every of my video. Thank you. See you next time in my next video. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye.